Hello and welcome to this quick video about carbon fibre. Now, I have been using carbon fibre as a common component for quite a while in my building. Sometimes the 3D printed part isn't going to cut the mustard, and particularly for things like this, which is a carbon fibre tube or even a carbon fibre square cross section, there are just no alternatives really for a really good carbon fibre tube that has been made to high specification. Now, I have bought a lot of carbon fibre over the past 10-15 years as I've been building and tinkering, making all kinds of stuff, not just for the hobby. Well, I found that the quality varies enormously, particularly for some of the stuff you get from Amazon and eBay. Some of it is crap. I don't think there's any other way to describe it, particularly that stuff that's had the resin painted on the outside so it looks glossy. This stuff is from 3DXR, and I kind of switched to buying all my carbon fibre about 4 years ago from 3DXR, because once I realised that Ben is actually having this made specifically for him, to his specifications that he uses in his professional grade UAVs that he builds for customers, it's like, you know what, I'll use that stuff, and I have not been disappointed. Quality is much better, finish is much nicer, and also the dimensionality, so the actual internal and external diameters are consistent, and it's flat, so it means that mounting stuff to it is also nice and easy. Now, he has recently increased the types of carbon fibre that he's been having made, so there, as well as having lots of different carbon fibre tubes with different wall thicknesses, he now has bigger sheets, and he also has carbon fibre box, but they're not extrusions, which are the kind of things that you tend to find in wings. They typically look very black. They're usually quite fragile and kind of crack longitudinally. This stuff is all woven. It's incredibly strong and very, very tough and lightweight. So I'll hand over to Ben. Ben has got enough stock of all of this latest stuff that not only can he use it in his builds, but we can actually now order it from the website too.
Okay, yeah, so today I'm going to show you some of our carbon fibre products. So we have had various carbon tubes and sheets on the website, but we've expanded this range now, and they're quite popular. As a drone builder, I use quite a lot of carbon sheet and tubes, and it took me a long time, many years, to find a really good carbon supplier that makes a quality product sort of in the sort of spec I need. So we have our tubes. So these are all a roll wrapped tube. So we have sizes down to sort of 10, 12 mil and up to 40 and 45 mil. And we have various thicknesses for different sizes. So some people might want to make a landing leg and they require a really thick wall strength, like a 2 mil wall. So we have those, and then we have the sort of common sizes where people also want different thicknesses. So these are all roll wrapped carbon tube, not protruded tube, which is common to crack along the sides. So these are really strong, really uniform size, and always a matte finish. So we've also got some square tube we've had made. So we've had the sort of dies, the mandrels made for these. So very popular sizes are 20, 25, and the smallest 16 mil. So this is also a wrapped tube, not a protruded tube. So this is really strong, very precise corners, and these we've got quite a lot of customers who like this tube. And these are a 1 mil wall thickness in this case. So this example, here's a 25 mil by 25 mil, and these are 1 meter lengths. So currently all that tube is 1 meter lengths. We also have our carbon sheet. So for quite a while we have sold sizes where it's only been 500 mil square. So this example is a 1 mil, quite a thin carbon. We always have a matte finish because it's always uniformed. Some suppliers may sell a glossy finish, which can often be sprayed on, and what you get is a ununiformed, uneven, not very good for sort of uniform construction. Also, both sides are always a finished side. So it's you call it a double A side. It's always nice on both sides. These are a 3K twill matte finish. So the 500 by 500 is something we've had for a while. We also now have a good range of 500 by 600. So this just appeared to be a popular size, something that was requested, and something that we also use ourselves quite a lot. So we have these from 1 mil, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3 mil, all the way up to 6 mil. So 6 mil is very thick. The most common size I might use in making drone frames and parts is sort of between 1 and 2 mil. What we also have in our new range is the even bigger sheet size of 600 by 800 mil. So this example here is a 2 mil sheet, and again we have this from 1 to 6 mil. So this is a 600 millimeter by 800 millimeter carbon sheet, 3K twill. It's a matte finish and a what you call a double A side, so both sides are a finished side, and it has a very uniform thickness all the way through the sheet. So to summarise, we have a sort of growing range of carbon tube, both round and square, and also our different sheet sizes and different sheet thicknesses of really high quality carbon.
Thank you for watching the video. If you watch my videos and find them useful, then please take a moment to hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel a lot. If you really like what I'm doing here, you can become a Patreon and support the time I spend helping others and get access to lots of exclusive benefits. Link is in the video description. Remember that all the videos on the channel are organised into playlists, so you can easily use those playlists to find all the videos on a subject that you are interested in. Add Painless 360 to your searches on Google and YouTube, and it'll help you find my content for any particular topic. Thanks again for watching, and as always, happy flying.